Hey guys, Guppy Sub Vlogs. If you know, I had to give my phone to my cousin who fixed the phone, so I didn't get no credit. Oh my god. And if you know, it's raining, incredibly raining, that I have to clean my iPod. My iPod is not resistible. And to celebrate my original credit, I got a new phone with my own money. Yes. So, here it is. It's an iPhone 13 Pro. Let's unbox it. In Maryland. Yes, I'm actually in Maryland. I came yesterday. Then I thought, oh, it's gonna be sunny. Wow, Apple, you literally thought it's gonna be sunny. Just every time I have to clean my iPod just for recording. So, let's just get started. In a rainy day. What? Oh, it is very satisfying. I can't smell it because of the rain. Oh, it's open. I want to do on this side where I always do, but oh my god, are they actually dripping? Okay, so I don't think going to Maryland will work. I'm gonna go inside to that place, I think. Will they let me in? Let's check it out. Hey guys, so I just came back from home from Maryland. I am also eating some sushi, if you guys don't know that. And I'm unboxing this, so let's just take a break and eat some sushi. This is actually it's not my first time trying sushi. I never tried these sushi before. Let me try the big white ones. My stand is not very good. I don't know why. This is my studio though, my basement. So watch that. I'm gonna put that video up soon though. Well, seriously guys. Wow, I'm very bad for stuff. Yeah. Okay. I'll just open this up now. Now, where were we? Oh yeah. The unboxing experience. I've been looking at the new iPhone 13 Pro, which actually came into water. Is there fogs? No. Don't fall. Oh my god, that was gonna fall. Okay, let's see. Oh, normal Apple stuff. What is this? This is for SIM card. I think I already have a SIM card here. I'm gonna check that. If it doesn't, I'm gonna, an Apple logo. You can't see it, but there. And a manual, which I don't need. So yeah. Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hear that? Oh my god. Oh, holy moly. This is hot. Oh, the hello sign. Oh my god. This is, okay, I'm gonna set this up, so. Bro, I was gonna say, so I'm gonna see you later. It literally said, set up new phone. This is my mom. Oh my god, I didn't really do that, guys. Okay, guys, I'm done with the studio. Full video I'm gonna record. I'm gonna put it right now after I'm like, waiting before the video got uploaded on well. But I got some soup. So let's check on the phone and I'll test with you with it. See? There it is. Fixed. Well, it's good. Well, why am I saying that? So, let's switch. Welcome back to my iPhone 13 Pro. you see very good graphics instead of this, so I'm throwing this in the trash. You hear that? I'm just kidding. I'm not throwing this in the trash. I don't break it. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. Comment and subscribe. And happy St. Patrick's Day. Bye.